Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Ford Transit-250. The Transit-250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, electronic stability control, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, front wheel independent suspension, 4-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning. Come see the car for yourself.